You got to be a grown man and make grown man decisions. You don't live at mom's house anymore. She's not going to ground you. So tomorrow when we come in, we're not going to be talking about any national championship. It's going to be about what's the standard, what type of effort, what type of commitment do I got to have? What am I going to do to give me the best chance to be at my best today, to get a little bit better so I can be good in meetings, so I have a chance to be a great player. Some of these guys are going to get an opportunity at the NFL. When you slide into that seat next year, you're going to be doing the exact same thing. You're not going to be scared of some veteran that's been there for 8 years getting a whole lot more money than you. You're there to take his job. It's a new team, I've said that. It's been 92 days since we played South Dakota State. No, you're supposed to have a good season. That's okay. You want to be in a program that there's high expectations. You start feeling good about yourself in any walk of life, somebody's going to whoop you. We should take the field with some confidence, all right? But we should have a chip on our shoulder. We were picked 4th in our own league. It's like, how good can this 2021 fall season be? 6-year seniors, you're talking about leaving a real legacy. Like, everybody's having one of these team meetings. I don't think they got the people sitting in here that we do and committed to that, but everybody feels good. But something's gonna smack us in the face. Maybe week 1, the little things, the fundamentals, execution, right? Sounds super boring. Sounds super boring. That's what's gonna separate us. Every drill we do, it has an intent behind it. Take what the coach said on the film and take it out to practice and get better. We had a good season, right? But they don't hang banners for good seasons. So we shouldn't be complacent, we should be hungry, not proving other people wrong. Let's prove ourselves right. From the time we sit here in training camp to when we look back on the season, we were like, nope, we were able to accomplish that. We had the right people in the right seats, and we were able to do it. All right, men?